Some great weather for all of that going on too, for sure. We finally get cooled off here. Mother Nature cranking on the AC for us. Going to cool us down quite a bit. Jupiter Inlet Lighthouse looking nice. The bridge is up too. Beautiful day out there right now. Still warm. It's not going to get cold till tonight. We're going to see those temperatures really start to fall on off. The cold front not quite here yet. It's still up to the north. The last time I plotted it, you can kind of see a couple of showers there near Tampa, so it's about at the Cape back to Tampa. Could be through Tampa right now, but all in all, look at these temperatures, easy to pick out too. So we're talking, this is 11 degrees cooler right now than they're at yesterday at this time at the 11 o'clock hour in Jacksonville and Tallahassee. Orlando, look at Vero Beach, a little bit cooler out there too. North of there, we're actually warmer, but things will start to cool down. Now, look at what we got going on. This big nor'easter here, big storm now just offshore, maybe just south of Nantucket there, Martha's Vineyard, just really throwing back hurricane force wind gusts possible into parts of Massachusetts and even all the way down to New York. We're throwing some snow back in there too. Now, this big storm, so if you have any travel plans tonight through tomorrow morning and even afternoon, you're gonna have some problems here and some slowdowns for sure. This storm is very far away from us. It's gonna move offshore, but what it's gonna do is throw some very large waves our way. Seas offshore of the Northeast and Mid-Atlantic, 30 to 40 feet expected. That in turn will send a large northeast swell our way, 12 to 18 feet, and that will really batter the coastline. It's going to start on Monday. It will peak, or start on Sunday. It will peak on Monday morning and then only slowly taper off through the week. So this will be a prolonged event here. 10 to 12 foot breakers, 18 feet in the Gulf Stream. Very dangerous boating out there. Small craft will have to stay in port. We're going to see beach erosion. It's going to chew up the beaches for sure, and we could even see some coastal flooding as it acts like a surge, just like a hurricane would do a surge. All those waves pushing in will surge the water in, so extra high tides, and we could see some flooding on the roadways that are very, very low lying. All right, temperatures right now into the 70s and 80s in the forecast will top us off into the low 80s or so, may even push into the middle 80s farther south there as we have 85 in Boca, 83 in West Palm. The cool air not quite arriving yet, but tonight it will. Check it out. Low 50s for the Treasure Coast. Upper 50s to low 60s for the Palm Beaches. It'll be a chilly start and quite the change here for tomorrow morning. We don't squeak out a whole lot of rain today, but I'm going to keep a slight chance for a few isolated showers until that cold front moves through. Then it wipes us clean here for the weekend, and we see very slim rain chances and much cooler weather. Seasonable, actually below average for this time of year. We're supposed to be 77 and 60, so we'll be below that for a few days going into Sunday and Monday. And look at what it does to the muggy meter. We are out of the muggy category and we go down actually into the dry category here for Sunday and stay comfy all the way next week because another cold front will come on Wednesday and cool us back down. So here's the boating, one last day, but seas are going to pick up rapidly later today, and tomorrow will be rough. Then that swell comes on Sunday. Beach forecast looks nice. If you do have beach plans the next several days, in the water will be dangerous. Surfers, I know this is what we all wait for, but know your limits and experienced surfers only in the water. It will be quite dangerous. Mid 70s for highs, 50s for lows, and look at that, we drop again by the end of next week.